Set up your device in these quick and simple steps. Set up and test. Your MGMini Lite comes with a charging cradle. You can charge your device using this cradle. Assemble the charger. Connect the USB-C cable from the charging cradle to the charging brick. Plug the charging brick into a wall outlet that is not controlled by a light switch to ensure continuous power. Check for the green indicator light on the charging cradle. A solid green light on the cradle confirms the charger is connected properly and receiving power. If you do not see this light, please check the outlet and ensure all components are securely connected. Place the device on the charging cradle. Align the metal charging pins on the back of your device with the metal charging pins on the charging cradle. You will hear a charging message confirming proper placement. A solid green LED light around the button indicates that the device is fully charged. This can take up to 4 hours. You are now ready to remove your MGMini Lite from the charger and give it a test. Press and hold the help button for 3 seconds, then release. The device will state, initiating help. Press and hold the help button to cancel. Your device will flash green every few seconds while ringing and state, call in progress, until the call is connected. Once connected, the light will turn solid green and state, call connected. You'll be asked if you need help or are just testing. If testing, simply say, just testing, and follow voice prompts. Regular testing helps ensure your device is always ready to use. It is recommended to test once a month so you feel confident using your device in any situation. And that's it. You're now ready to start using your MGMini Lite. We look forward to keeping you safe and connected.